Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we will be sharing the top 3 best tips for the edit page in DaVinci Resolve 18. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced creator, these editing tips will help you take your edits to the next level. So let's get started. Tip number 1. Using keyboard shortcuts. Using keyboard cutouts can help you save a lot of time when editing your videos. Instead of using buttons or menus, you can use keyboard shortcuts to perform common tasks like copying, cutting, and pasting. Keyboard shortcuts include Ctrl-C to copy, you use Ctrl-V to paste, and then you use Ctrl-Z to undo. Tip 2. Trim Edit Mode. Trim Edit Mode is a powerful feature that lets you move around your clips or delete certain parts without affecting your other clips on your timeline. You can turn on Trim Edit Mode by pressing it up here or just pressing T. To use it, you have a few different options. So if you move your cursor here in the middle of your clip, it can move it in and out like this. So then your whole clip is moved like this. And then another way is, if it looks like this at the end of your clip or the beginning, you can move it like this to overlap. The last way is you can move it like that, so then it moves forward and then it just moves your timeline forward, but it doesn't make any gaps, so it doesn't overlap this clip here. Tip 3. The Blade Edit Tool. The Blade Edit tool is the best tool for cutting your clips in DaVinci Resolve. The way you use this is, you press on the Blade Edit mode, or you press B, and then you go down to where you want to cut, and then you just press it, and it just cuts. Really simple, really easy, and you can just delete them or just do whatever you want with them. So, those are the top 3 best editing tips on the edit page in DaVinci Resolve 18. I hope you found these editing tips helpful and that they will take your editing skills to the next level. If you did enjoy this video, please like and subscribe, and I may see you in the next one. Bye!